I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to cancel your YouTube Premium subscription, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Open the YouTube app. Launch the YouTube app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account that holds the subscription you want to cancel. Step 2. Go to your account. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner to access your account settings. This is where you can manage your subscriptions. Step 3. Select Purchases and Memberships. In the account menu, look for the Purchases and Memberships option and tap on it. This will show you all your active subscriptions. Step 4. Tap on YouTube Premium. Find the YouTube Premium subscription in the list and select it. This will take you to a page with details about your subscription. Step 5. Cancel subscription. Look for the Cancel Membership option and tap on it. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Remember, you may still have access until the end of your billing cycle. Keep in mind that if you accidentally tap End Membership instead of Cancel Membership, it can be confusing, so double check before confirming. If you follow these steps, you should be all set. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.